that you had to hit that stupid ass camera. Do you believe it?
And she's taking a picture of my backside?
Yeah, yeah. Picture of your butt. Put up there?
This one.
There. Oh, you're so helpful, Lorrie.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
MeMaw's home.
Nice chair you got, Lorrie.
You just gotta push her harder.
Thanks for the help. You're so fucking wonderful.
I can get down here and push you, Lorrie.
It's too late now.
I know, he's already up to the top.
Watch your feet. Hang on.
I'm hanging.
Huh?
I got my arms in.
All right. There you go.
They taught me that.
All right.
Going down the halls.
And I'm not going yet. Okay.
Good morning. She's going 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Is it still morning or is it afternoon?
Still morning.
Still morning?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay, hi. I'm home. Yay.
And what's your best thing about being home?
My best thing about being home is my daughter yelling at me instead of a nurse.
Instead of a nurse? Oh, well, that's something to...
My physiotherapist came along when my daughter was there, and she showed me, get up, stop, sit back down, get up, stop, sit back down, get up, stop, sit back down.
And not quite sit back down.
Not quite sit back down. Get up, stop, not quite sit back down. In other words, exercise my legs. Lorrie took hold of that and has been gleefully following through ever since.
Yes.
Yes.
And here we are. We're going to exercise your leg a little bit more.
I feel like I'm yelling.
Well, you are a little bit, but that's okay. You need to for the mic to pick you up.
But the best thing that happened was my kitty cat. My kitty cat was very wary of me when I first came home. In fact, she stayed in the closet where she's been hiding ever since I left because she's afraid of Lorrie and David. For some reason, after 10 years of living with them, she still is not friendly. And she goes and hides. So she's been hiding ever since I left. Except once in a while she'll sneak out a little bit. But anyway, when I got into bed the first time, she finally came and jumped up on the bed with me and purred. And then I got myself up in the morning at 4:30 to go potty. And I got back to the bed, and as I was trying to get my legs back into the bed, which is difficult for me, especially my right leg that's all torn up, she sat there and patted me with her paw to encourage me
Aww.
to get in. Yeah, aw.
Is he so sweet?
So she likes me home,
Yeah, for sure.
and that's good. I haven't seen her all morning.
Well, you're out in the living room now,
Yeah.
so
No, she won't come out to the living room.
no.
So where I was freezing because I had ice on my leg, which made it feel better.
Should we take a look at your bruising? Can I show you guys that bruising before? Oh, look at how much better that looks. She's still a little bit swollen, but other than here, she's still got some ugliness down here, but this up along
that
here is
bruises or
much
is
better.
that
This
ink?
is bruising.
Or is that-
Well, it's not outside. It has ink, too.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, they drew around it to make sure it wasn't still spreading. It's been getting better.
I got blood.
Yeah, we're not allowed to take the Band-Aids off. We're just supposed to leave them until the follow-up appointment, which I need to go and call and make. So,
Anyway,
any
that's
final words?
That's our update for today. Thank you for all your prayers and support. I felt it. And the Lord answered.
Yay, God.
Yeah, he's in control, and I was reminded of that. And he had a reason for it all. Don't know what it is yet. Maybe a few people at the hospital were touched by the same thing that my daughter sent me about God being in control and us not understanding why he sometimes allows things. But he does. I wish I knew why.
You wish you allowed it to somebody else?
Yeah.
So let's ask the question. I guess it's a little soon now because it's only a week post-surgery, post-second surgery. If you had to do it all over again...
No.
No, you would not?
No, I would get a better brace for my leg.
Okay. Just something that offered more support on the externally?
Yeah. Yeah, I was looking at one that looked interesting.
Okay, well, we'll ask you again in 6 weeks
Yeah.
or so and see. And tell everybody how excited you are for them to watch you exercise.
Oh, I don't want you to watch me exercise.
What do you mean?
That's so stupid. Up, down, part way, sit down, part way, stand up, sit down, part way, stand up. It's better for me just to get up and walk.
No, because it works different muscles. You have to do both.
I don't want to.
I don't care.
I don't want to.
You people tell her. Do your exercises, MeMaw. I want to hear that from everybody watching this video. Do your exercises, MeMaw.
Nobody loves me.
Everybody loves you.
It's called tough love, I guess.
Tough love. We all love you. We want you here for a long, long time, so you got to get better.
I'm old. I can do what I want.
No. Do what I want.
She is a bit of a tyrant since she got me home. I do have to admit that.
Oh, it's good for you. I only do what's good for you.
Yeah.
All right. Say goodbye.
And she enjoys tormenting me.
Yes, I absolutely do. I'm so happy she's home for me to torment again.
Yeah.
I've been tormenting her extra this morning.
But she did get me coffee.
I did.
Real coffee, which was really a nice change.
And toast.
And toast. Oh, yeah. It was real toast. It was crispy.
And dry. Just like they serve it in... Oh, but not floppy. It wasn't quite like they serve it in the hospital.
They made toast, and then they put it under a dome. So by the time it got to me, it was kind of limp.
Along with some scrambled eggs, usually, right?
Well, or something.
Or something.
And then they gave me a little thing of margarine that I was supposed to put on these 4 pieces of cold floppy toast.
Cold floppy
so
toast.
I didn't bother. I would take a bite from the corner and think, ugh, that's cold floppy bread.
Toast. So yeah, she did not like the toast. The food is much better in the hospital at home.
Yeah. Yeah. She made me some oatmeal this morning, and the only difference between it and the hospital oatmeal was that this one had rubber in it.
Rubber apples.
She told me afterwards that rubber was dried apples.
I guess they were maybe not quite so dried anymore.
And it was like piece of Michelin.
A little bit of Michelin tire in your porridge. I didn't want you to miss the hospital too much.
Yeah,
so.
and I don't when it comes to breakfast. But she did make me toast.
Oh, good.
So that was good. I had to butter it myself. So.
Well, I wanted her to feel like she was still in the hospital.
But at least she gave me butter instead of margarine.
Yes.
Which I prefer.
Yes, absolutely.
I don't need jam.
You are jammed.
I'm jammed.
All right, say goodbye.
Bye, everybody. See you again.